Lose up. A single green leaf falls slowly through the air, spinning in silence. As it hits the jungle floor, Bruce Lee's footsteps beside it, bare, focused, grounded. Cut wide. Bruce stands shirtless in a clearing, surrounded by tall trees. His body is still, eyes closed, breathing calm. Then, he opens his eyes sharply. Narrator VO. He came here for peace, but the jungle gave him a mission. Scene 1. The signal, 030 to 110. Bruce kneels and notices deep boot prints. Human. Recent. He touches a broken twig, senses movement. The jungle speaks. He listens. Flash of light in the trees, mirror reflection. A trap. A scout. No time to think. Bruce launches into motion, sprinting low through brush, silent as wind. POV shots. His hands swipe branches. Feet leap over roots. Eyes scanning. Scene 2. The silent enemy, 1:10 to 2 o'clock. Suddenly, a tripwire. Bruce twists mid-run, dodges, boom. A silent clay trap explodes in dust behind him. From the trees, masked men emerge, silent, elite. One drops silently behind Bruce. He spins, instant back elbow, leg sweep, finishes with a palm strike to the throat. Another charges. Bruce jumps onto a hanging vine, swings, flips over the attacker, lands behind, and delivers a double punch to the kidneys. Every move surgical. No wasted motion. The jungle becomes his weapon. Tree trunks for cover, vines for momentum, rocks for leverage. Scene 3. The maze of bamboo, 2 to 3:10. Bruce enters a narrow bamboo forest. Tall, tight, disorienting. He hears footsteps echoing. Whispers. Suddenly, 5 attackers block every exit. Bruce breathes once, then unleashes fury. He runs up a tree trunk, backflips into a flying kick, takes one out instantly. The camera spins around Bruce in a 360 shot as he disarms another, breaks a bamboo pole midair, and uses it as a staff. He flows between enemies, strike, duck, kick, twist, block. Bamboo snaps. Bodies fall. His face remains locked in focus. Precision over power. Calm in chaos. Scene 4. The final test, 3:10 to 4 o'clock. Only one remains, a tall, silent fighter in black. The two stare. The jungle silences. Even the wind holds its breath. They clash, no words. Just fists, elbows, footwork. Each move faster than the last. Bruce counters a punch with a Wing Chun trap, follows with a devastating sidekick that sends the man crashing into a tree. Bruce walks forward, breath steady. He kneels and picks up the same leaf from the opening shot. Bruce, softly. Still green. Still growing. He places the leaf on the fallen man's chest. Stands. Walks into the trees. Fade out. Narrator VO. Some fight to survive. He survives to perfect. The jungle remembers. Bruce Lee.